To set a shutdown timer on your Windows 10 PC, start by opening the Run dialog box. You can do this by using the Start menu or by pressing Windows plus R on your keyboard. In the Run window, type the following command: shutdown ST number of seconds. Then press Enter. For example, if you want your computer to shut down after 10 minutes, type shutdown ST 600. Here, 600 represents the number of seconds, so in this case, the system will automatically shut down after 10 minutes. You can experiment with different values to set the timer that works best for you. Once the command is entered, Windows will display a message confirming the scheduled shutdown. If you change your mind and want to cancel the shutdown timer, simply open the Run window again and type shutdown A. This command cancels the scheduled shutdown. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and useful guides. Thanks for watching.